Oh, hi! So the video of the laptop in the oven is kind of gaining traction, so I'm gonna take advantage of that opportunity and I'm going to capitalize on that. So after today, which is January 11, the laptop's still working, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you the more of an unabridged version of the Windows installation part of that video because I didn't show much, and it was kind of a convoluted process. The thing is that this is not as silly as the original video and it's far more nerdy, but I went through a lot of problems trying to get that thing installed. So I want to show you that. And after that, we're going to go back to the laptop in present time. I'm going to try to do something pretty cool with it. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm back. So it's been quite a while since the last bit of the video, but I found my Windows Vista DVD and I actually put a new hard drive on this. I was using an SSD as I mentioned earlier, but I'm gonna use an actual mechanical hard drive on this because they seem to have some problems detecting it sometimes. It's a lot faster and it's really convenient, but yeah, this laptop doesn't like that much. So I have to install Windows Vista on this, and I have a DVD here. The problem is there's no more updates for Windows Vista and it's not up to speed, so yeah, that's gonna be difficult. I also wanted to experiment with this thing, and I have this flash drive here creating a Windows 11 image. I have no idea. Probably that thing is not gonna even work. Windows 10 works on this, but Windows 11, well, you saw earlier that Windows 10 does work. Windows 11 though, that's a completely different deal, and I think it's gonna be an absolute disaster, but that's the fun of it. So I haven't turned this on again, so I'm hoping this is actually gonna still work, because who knows, it could have died in... No, it's still working. Okay, so the CMOS battery is dead. I'm gonna have to get a new battery. So I'm gonna put this DVD here. Press F5 to continue. That worked. I don't know if it's trying to read the freaking DVD or... I think it's F10 for the boot device. Huh. Well, anyway, let me troubleshoot this. Okay, I fucked around the BIOS and I think I fixed it now. Yes. So we got a bootable thing with Windows Vista. Also, my flash drive with Windows 11 is ready to go. I should check that out first. Hold on. I don't know if this is gonna be a good thing, but I'm gonna turn this off. We're gonna put this flash drive and see how far can we get installing Windows 11 on this thing. I've never used Windows 11, so this is kind of interesting. Also, I cannot really fucking find the USB port. There you go. All right. I think it's F11. No. System recovery. No, I don't want system recovery. Oh, no. What have I done? No, hold on. No. I'm panicking, pressing Control Delete. No. Good grief. I think you have to press Escape, actually. Yeah, boot device, oh, it's F9, okay. USB flash drive. I think it skipped it. I think it skipped the flash drive entirely. Oh, no, it's actually... It's a very squished square. It is squished. I don't know if it should be squished. I don't know, but we're getting something. Okay, we got to the setup thingy here. I don't have a product key. Windows 11 Pro. Yeah, well, sure, why not? Oh. This PC can't run Windows 11. This PC does not meet the minimum requirements to install this version of Windows. For more information, visit aka.ms Windows sysrec. Well, it was nice while it lasted. Hey, I had to answer that question, okay? Okay, let's start with Windows Vista then. Okay, we're doing something that is more, you know, it's closer to what this computer originally had, Windows Vista. So this is what I'm gonna do. It's not exciting, you know. And what's annoying about this is it doesn't have any updates, so it's a bit of a gamble. Well, I'm gonna have to format this drive. This is okay. I have everything backed up, and yeah, just create a new thingy. It's a small hard drive, but it should do the trick. This is good enough. Wait, what? Oh, Windows cannot be installed on this disk. The selected disk is on the GPT partition style. Let me look up how to fix it. Well, after a lot of fucking around, I finally got this hard drive ready to go. I had to remove it from this laptop and put it on the other computer and do the whole thing on the other computer because I couldn't access the console on this computer. It was a mess, but it's working. Now it's copying files. We're gonna get Windows Vista installed on this crap. Well, it says thank you. Yeah, thank you for installing this crap. Well, yeah. So now I have to do is wait. This Windows Vista, so yeah. Oh yeah, please wait while Windows check your computer performance. Yeah, this is gonna take like another 2 hours, and the score is gonna be fucking horrible because I had no drivers installed yet. Yeah, this sucks. So interestingly, I actually have sound drivers, and I think the touchscreen is also working. Oh yeah, it is. Ooh, that's neat. You can type like dick. That's not my password actually. So I realized I kind of fucked up. I wanted to dual boot this with Windows 10, but I realized that I didn't partition the hard drive, and I just like noticed that like a couple minutes ago. I'm not sure if I have to like format the whole thing. I'm gonna look into the thing see if I can shrink the volume because this this is like I just made install and stuff. There's no video driver still because there was no like fading, fade out, and there's no like arrow stuff going on. Yeah, so you're gonna have to look into that. Actually, let's look into that straight away. So you just click on computer, you go to manage. Oh yeah, Windows Vista has this thing that it's just so annoying, dude. It just bothers you to no end. This management, and this thing takes forever. Well, after 2 hours, I finally got this. So let's see. Shrink volume. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's like half of it. Okay, I'll take it. Dude, that's fucking awesome because yeah, that was really worrying me. I'm probably gonna have to like format this again at one point though to install the updates. Since Windows Update it's dead. And I think I have to like do this like restarting the computer and shit because it's oh, apparently I don't. So I new simple volume, blah 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 blah. Yeah. Send letter, yeah, we can tweak the letters later. And TFS, yeah, whatever, new volume, yeah. Windows 10. No, not V10, just 10. What is letter E? Why? Oh, it's the SD card reader. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, so now I can just play around with the files and then maybe install Windows 10, which will be pretty neat. Oh, it's formatting. Yeah, okay, this is gonna take a while. Yeah. I'm gonna try Windows 10 afterwards and see if I can dual boot this. So I made the partition of the other hard drive and it took like a million years. But now I'm gonna try to install Windows Vista. Windows 10. I haven't even installed like the drivers and all that crap for Windows Vista. But I found a website that still has them. Apparently, like HP still has the drivers on their FTP server. So just they don't have the website to like retrieve them, but the drivers themselves are still there. So that's it's pretty cool. So I downloaded them. I had to put them in a flash drive and connect them here. Thankfully, this laptop is, modern enough to support flash drives. And yeah, this is just 2008. It's not that old. I mean, compared to some of the stuff I have, like this computer over here. You can barely see it because it's kind of dark. But it's from the late 90s. Yeah, like Windows 10 should run perfectly fine. So here we select the other partition I have. So exactly, now we have 2 operating systems. Hopefully this is gonna work. I've dual booted with XP and 7 and Vista and 7, but I've never dual booted with Vista and 10. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's time to experiment with stuff, so might as well do it, right? So I booted into Windows 10 now and it's searching for a display driver. Yeah, this thing looks it's in a kind of a convoluted resolution right now. It's kind of low. It's not working very fast, but it's working. It's actually double booted. I got like a little menu, like a blue menu there. And I think the touchscreen, yeah, the touchscreen is also working, which is pretty sweet. It's not really well calibrated because like I'm touching this thing and you can see like the dot come out like in a completely different spot. So I turn on the night light. Probably can't find the display driver, or is yeah, I don't know what the thing's doing. But it's working for now. Hopefully it's gonna work better. I think I get the driver. Oh, Windows update. Okay. So this thing is working really slow. Like it took like 20 minutes to get it, and listen to the laptop. It's like it's going insane with the fans. Oh, there's quite a few updates. Get ready for Windows 11. To see if this PC can run Windows 11, check the hardware requirements of your PC manufacturer's website. No, I can't. I actually checked. I tried. But yeah, it's installing stuff, so I guess it's cool. Also, the clock is kind of correct. It's not 6 a.m. the time is completely wrong. So yeah, it's not that early. So I left the laptop for last night, and he suspended. You can see the light is blinking there. We're gonna see if it's gonna turn on. The problem with this computer is not like keeping them on. The problem is the temperature cycles. That's what kills this motherboards. So as long as you keep this computer on and never like turn it off, it should be fine. It's a lot better than actually turning it off. I mean, it's gonna gather dust in the fan, and you know the fan is gonna get clogged up and stuff. But yeah, it's still on, it's still working, and I was left with like doing updates and stuff, so I had to restart it also get like the updated up drivers and stuff. And works, and you can see they're getting a lot of notifications there, and you know, yeah. Oh, the password's incorrect. Oh, yeah, I forgot my own password. You can see it required some restarts, so you know this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna restart this crap. I'm gonna show you the like the menu where you choose which operating system to run, which sucks. In other Windows versions, you get that straight away whenever the computer booted, and this time it throws you after Windows 7. I mean, Windows 10 is completely booted, so you get like the whole logo, the whole thingy, and after that you get the logo say, like in the message saying like choose your operating system, which is you know whatever. Sorry, anyway. To you, yeah, choose your operating system. I feel that's kind of counterproductive, and I don't really like it, but whatever. So you see, you get this Windows logo thing in there, and it goes through the whole loading process there, you know, the whole thing. And this is a mechanical hard drive, so you can imagine this takes a little bit. And now you can choose. And in case of Windows 10, it should, well, technically boot out straight away since everything's already loaded, but Windows Vista had to go through the whole process all over again, which is kind of annoying, honestly. I like the system that Windows Vista 7 and 8, I think, also had. I don't know, Windows 8, but 7 had it, which is like a black menu whenever like the bootloader finishes loading, you know. Work better. Dude, it's been hours. It's literally been hours, and I could finally find every driver for this thing. This was an absolute nightmare. A lot of the drivers were already available, but some of them I had to like dig very deeply. But as you can see, the device manager is completely, you know, empty. No devices with problems or anything. All the drivers are installed. Everything is functional. Well, except for the remote control, because yeah, this laptop has a remote control. I don't have a battery for this. Well, I think maybe I do have. Maybe it's a 2032. Probably I have one. It's a 2016, so no, I don't have a 2016. But yeah, but I could just try it, and probably this is working. I don't know. But dude, this finally is finally functional. It's just like, you know, the one problem I have with this is like to boot into Windows Vista. There's like a huge way to go through. You have to like go into the whole thing of Windows 10, click on the thing or tap it because the screen is that's neat. Tap on the things and the computer resets completely and it goes back and boots into Windows Vista. It's just a convoluted process and I don't like it. I wish I could have another menu. Maybe I will look into it to get something like the Windows 7 menu instead of the Windows 10 one. I don't know if that's even possible, but well, we'll look into it. We're gonna experiment with this before it dies, because the other thing, yeah, this laptop is gonna die sooner than later, which is unfortunate, but that's how this goes with this, you know, reflown motherboards and stuff. But yeah, this is working. I'm just gonna put some cheaty software in this to fuck around with it until it dies. Maybe I could, like, you know, I could get something to draw, since, you know, this has the stylus and you can actually draw on this thing. You know, you can just go here and open Paint. Shit, now I don't want Windows Update. I also need to calibrate this crap. Anyway, this is calibrated now, and yeah, you could just go into Paint and look at this old school Paint program here. I don't think you can do this. Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, and you can do this. There. Hey, so after all that, we're done, and, you know, I discovered something. You can install Windows 11 and stuff that you shouldn't be able to, so we're gonna do that and destroy this thing for good. Actually, right now I'm streaming on Twitch, because that's what I do. Yeah, if you wanna follow the channel, you can find the link somewhere. Anyway, so what you have to do, you have to fill around. This is kind of difficult to do now, but you can upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without having to do much of a problem. Also, hey, the guys are saying hi to you. Hi, Mom. I'm on YouTube. Hi, YouTube. So yeah, so I have my flash drive with Windows 11, and so we're gonna go for it again. I can't get the freaking flash drive to connect. Okay, thanks to the magic of it, and you don't have to see me do that for like 20 minutes. People on the stream did, though. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to this PC, go to the ESD USB thingy, and open Setup. Let's allow Microsoft Corporation to make changes in our computer. Yeah, why not? So, the way you do this, you go to this thing, and it says go online, blah, 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 blah. You go to Change How Setup, Downloads Updates, and you put Not Right Now, and you go to Next. If your computer can handle it, at this point it just go through it, but it's gonna tell that we don't have the right processor and we don't have TPM 2.0, so this is gonna fail. And that's where we do our magic. Okay, so as you can see, it says that's with the requirements, and it doesn't even tell you why, but okay. So you go to Back, and what you do, you go to this PC again. So you go to your C drive, and there's this folder called Windows with a VT. You go to Sources, and there's this one file that is called upracer.res.dll. You just delete that. So you go back to the setup, and you try again. And as you can see, completely bypassed the check, and it says we're getting a few things ready. So it completely skipped this thing of checking if your computer is even compatible. It just went through it. So then you carefully read this whole document, like everybody does, because everybody reads this, right? We all read this, right? And you go accept, because you read it, and you accept the terms, right? 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 So normally we'll say that this is not compatible. For some reason it doesn't even say it. Apparently this really believes my computer is compatible. But anyway, so it's gonna do another check for the space on your hard drive, but this hard drive has enough space, so it should be fine. So yeah, ready to install, and that's it. You tap install, and it's gonna install it. And you have to wait like a long time. This is not a fast process, but it's a process. It's gonna work. So you just, you know, you go for a walk, and you know, you can go visit your aunt they haven't visited in like 5 years because they live on the other side of the country, and you come back, probably still gonna be done yet. So yeah, nice. So he's saying that it's gonna restart in a few moments. It's been a while, dude. It's been a couple hours, I think. I don't know. I lost track of time, but yeah, it's been a while since it's been doing this thing. Oh hey, so it's been like yet another hour with another message, and it finally went into this screen now. So I guess now it's gonna update and crap. It's gonna do some of that goodness, and then it's gonna, well, I guess, keep installing for like the rest of the night. This is going slow, dude. Okay, it restarted. So now it's on this screen. Dude, is it me or that square looks kinda not square? It looks like squished. I will never understand this trend of oversimplifying logos, man. I guess that's a trend these days, but honestly, I don't get it. Please no. Okay, oops. Well, let's remove the flash drive. So now it's working on updates, more updates. Yeah, I don't know how long this is gonna take, but yes, yet another screen with updates. Well, it restarted again, but it's back to this screen. Oh, wait a second, it got stuck there for a second. Yep, it's been quite a while. Still doing it. Well, it restarted yet again. Dude, this is taking forever. Could you imagine this is gonna like destroy the whole Windows installation? It's never gonna work again. I don't even know if the dual boot is gonna work anymore. Oh boy, I didn't think of that. Do you see that? 100%. Ooh, something's happening. Something's happening, man.
So it might just be.
Oh boy, it's happening. Okay, we have a cursor. Oh yeah, it's working. Type password. Can we type the password with the touchscreen? Oh yeah, we can. Shit. That's actually not the password. Getting things ready for you. Well, it got ready a black screen. That's fantastic. Hey, after staying there for like 2 hours in a black screen, we got this. And you know, you can see the animation in the background is actually moving. Well, yeah, relatively smoothly. Kind of froze for a second, but it's moving and it's not like choppy or anything. Dude, this laptop is not even that good, honestly. Dude, good things coming your way. Is that a sign that my YouTube channel is gonna take off after the last video I uploaded? Oh my god! It's a premonition. Making sure everything is ready to go. Still working on a few things, almost there. I can imagine I'm gonna have to wait like 2 hours from this almost there. Desktop, we got to the desktop. The taskbar is showing nothing. But the taskbar is empty. There's no clock, there's no icons here. There's only these two things. That's it. Oh, now we're talking. Also, dude. Dude, this is so funny to see like all these icons there. And in the middle, Winamp. Also, yeah, I haven't seen the... Oh, so this is a new start menu. Yeah, I didn't see the dual boot menu, which is kind of concerning me. Let's go into this power. Do we get like a thing telling me like do you want to restart and stuff, or this is just straight into turning it off? Okay, restart. I suppose if you hold shift and you click on restart, it should throw you into this menu. Yeah, no, that didn't work. It just threw it straight into a straight reset. I'm just hoping this is actually gonna throw the menu now. So yeah, it got into this menu. We have to reset the computer to get into this menu, like Windows 10, that you can go straight to it. So use another operating system. Oh yeah, so Microsoft Windows Vista is indeed there. Okay. So I assume we can go straight into it. But right now we're gonna stick in Windows 11 and keep suffering on the absolute pain that is actually running this thing, because it's not running well, dude. You get to display settings and you get this menu that looks like an icon from Android. Are you still salty about Windows Phone, Microsoft? Still salty about Windows Phone, huh? So as you can see, I can actually tune into Twitch, and it works. I mean, it's not perfect, and I had to watch it like 480p maximum, otherwise it starts struggling with the frame rate. I mean, for a laptop from the 2008, this is not that bad. I mean, of course, if you like any kind of multitasking while doing this, it just goes down the toilet, dude. There's no way you can multitask with this. So you either like just watch this Twitch stream or you do other stuff. But yeah, honestly, this laptop is not good at handling this kind of stuff, because you know this is old. It's old hardware, and it's not the best hardware from the era either. So yeah. And you know, speaking of Winamp, I will figure out if I could do this, play midis on this. But yeah, if you start like opening stuff, you can hear it start struggling. I don't know, let's open, I don't know, Edge. I don't know, let's go to Twitch again. Oh. Wait, what? So I restarted the laptop, and it actually does show the menu automatically. I don't know if it jumps straight into this operating system or it just restarts all over again to jump into Windows 11. So let's see. Yeah, it was straight into it. That's awesome, dude. So I'm in Windows Vista, which is, what this laptop works better on. Unfortunately, Windows Vista is obsolete, so there's not much you can do with it. Like, you cannot browse the internet because Internet Explorer is outdated. You can get Firefox, but Firefox is also outdated. So there's not much you can do. Maybe run games, but the thing is that this laptop isn't even that good, so you cannot run games very well. But I mean, we got Photoshop, so that's neat. You could just go in here, and you can take advantage of having the stylus, and this is cool because it's this. He has like sensitivity to the pressure. You can see that, which is really really sweet. So you can have like I don't know, something like. Bye. Fuck you again, motherfuckers!